Good morning and welcome to the Real-Time Forex Trader. We're here at 7:16 in London, GMT. This is Euro Dollar and we're looking at a tick chart, 1 second chart, 10 second, 1 minute. This is open positions. We haven't put any trades on yet today. And this is pound dollar. Tick chart, 1 second, 10 second, 1 minute. Coming back to Euro Dollar, 10-minute chart looking like it's grinding down. Highs in the very early mornings of 102.68. Lows here of 102.45. It's been grinding down, but a bit sideways now. Going to hour. Yeah, grinding down since yesterday. I mean, it reached that last night, late afternoon, last night. So back to 1 minute. Just looks like it's grinding up. It's not really doing much, which is not ideal for trading trends. 53, it's peaked before at 55, 56 before it's come back down. This high 59, so there must be sellers around 60. And although this is grinding up, it is a bit choppy. It's a bit more choppy than earlier in the morning when we can see these moves. So I would say it's a little undecided at the moment. And just beginning to turn below this trend line. It's not really doing anything that invites us to trade. So I'm going to try something slightly different this morning. Commentative trading, which is commenting as we go through, trying to verbalize my thoughts in a hope that that makes the video more interesting for you and it perhaps helps process the information for trading. Downwards, 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 sideways. I was half tempted to put a buy on here. But that's looking like it wasn't a good decision. So, beginning to look like it's going to come down through this trend line. And it might be worth having a short on. So, we've opened our first trade of the day. 50.7. Doesn't look like it'll go below 46s. Let's get a stop on. And we can put that on up. Yeah, 46.5. 0.6 will do, it's near enough. And that might be all we get out of that. So we have seen a profit and it's slipped away. Because I was putting the take profit on. come back up to the trend line, but is it going to drop away from it? So these trend lines, they're exponential moving averages. We're on the IG platform. The purple one is a 20 exponential moving average. That's 20 pieces of data. Now the market's just grinding up. So we should have had that profit and taken it. I think we'll put another short on there just to average our price up. We'll get the stop losses on. We'll get the take profits on. It's just a little bit too... Right, so the take profits are on. If we hit them, one position coming into profits. And yeah, we just need it to drop down to here. Only got there before. That was 48. So we can always close it out manually. I mean, in many ways, I'd have liked to have put a take profit on down here, just above, in case it breaks the 45s. Yeah, I think we might change that to 43. Just in case it goes through the 45 with a spike, and we can take a bit of extra profit on that. So coming back to what's on these charts, these are exponential moving averages. The purple one, 20 units of time. The blue one, 50. The light brown one, 100. These are standard settings in the IG platform. They give a good idea of a rough indication of market trend. Below it, you're in a downtrend, and above them, you're in an uptrend. If they all fan out, like here, then that does tend to suggest an uptrend. But the market going by and large sideways, which is no good for us. As I like trading trends. So we're here with our two positions, waiting for the market to make its mind up. One position back on side now in profits. See, there does seem to have been selling around here at, I don't know, probably 54s. Yeah, it's hovering around 102.50. So there's buyers just under it and sellers just above it. And the 250 being a human psychology number as a quarter of the distance between 102 and 103. So the market's going to have to make up its mind whether it's going to go above this level or below it. So this is the reality of trading. Right. Dropping down. We're beginning to get near the second position, coming back on side. beginning to get more liquidity coming into the London market, 7.30. I would have thought most people will be coming to their desks now for trading. A lot of them will have been here since 6 or 6.30. I would have thought most of the bank employees will be in their offices by now, in Canary Wharf, at the major trading banks. So where is this going? I mean, we've got this one on near its recent highs. Could have maybe got it on half a pip higher. Yeah, what's happening next? We're just waiting. So this is the reality of Forex trading. It isn't all glamour and action. There are periods when the market sits around and does very little, and as you can see, 4 minutes past 7 onwards, it's been by and large a sideways market. So we'll get ready to close this position out if it shows us a decent profit, preferably both positions in profit. Right, here we go. We'll take that. The market's hesitating. That's a profit. It's in the bank. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, please subscribe, and on to the next trade.